Alright, hi guys. Let's get some references in our report. So first, to get references installed in our report, we're going to have to open up another program. This comes with the Mac package. I assume it comes with PC as well, called BibDesk, or something similar to this. And this is your bibliography manager. We are going to create an entry, and I'm going to call it Reference Zan. It's going to be a book. The title is going to be let's give the Chronicles of Tobias. The publisher is Zan Publishing Inc. Years 2013. Author is Zan BH. Let's go say it was published in July. Alright, so we create our entry. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go into the Latex project. I already have a folder here called References, and I'm going to call it Tobias Ref for the references for this. So there you go. We save that, close that down. The file should be in there. Alright, so just going to minimize that for now. What do we do? So I'm going to include the references at the end of the document after this subsection here. First I'm going to clear the rest of the page, and then I'm going to specify the bibliography style. I like IEEE. There are different types you can specify. You can look them up. Bibliography. Okay, so in this here, let's just make the text a bit bigger. Okay, so down here at the bibliography, we're going to specify the link to the Tobias reference. So get info. Let's get the references, and then what did we call it? Tobias ref.bib. That's the standard. Okay. So now we built this. Now the bibliography is not going to load because we haven't, if I build this, because we haven't specified a citation anywhere. So let's do that now. So let's put a citation here. So the citation here is going to be Zan, just like that. And I had a table that with reference. Here we go. So cite ref Zan. So we got that going. So let's save that, and let's build that. Okay, so we have built it, and you'll see question mark here, and you'll see question mark here, and this is where the citation is supposed to go following IEEE format. And why isn't there? Because we haven't run our bibtex yet. So next to typeset here, you'll have some options. Go to bibtex and build, and you build that, and it says it's done. And then you go back to Latex and build again. References on the new page, just like I specified, page 4. The first one is the Chronicles of Tobias. Still hasn't populated where it should on the page, but one more build, and there we go. We have reference 1, and again, because we did the hyperlinking one, if you click on it, it takes you to the reference. Isn't that cool? Now, let's show what happens when we get more references in play here. So I'm going to create another couple references. I'm going to call this ref2. This is going to be our second reference. Okay, and I'm going to save that. And let's get another one. Let's call it ref3. Third reference. And we have our year. Okay, excellent. So now we have some references in our BibDesk here. Let's enter reference 2. So where was reference 1 in a caption? I'm lost. I'm not used to reading it with the text this big. Ref Zan. Okay, so ref Zan is reference 1. What happens if, for example, I put ref 2 before ref 1, which is ref Zan? If I build that now, question mark, okay, cool, so let's bibdesk it. And then go back to Latex, build it again, and build it once more. Okay, so now we have it out of order, 2 and then 1. If I click on 2, it takes us to our second reference right there. The way you go about fixing that is you use a package, just like every other problem. So let's create, under graphics preamble, bibliography preamble. And what we're going to want to do is use a package, and it's called natbib. And the options that we're going to specify is, with respect to the numbers, we're going to want to sort and compress. If I build it now, voila, 1 and then 2. Now another issue that you might run into is, let me just comment this out. Or, no, I don't even need to comment it out. Okay, so we have 1 and 2. Let's say this uses a third reference, and I have in the bib desk here reference 3. So let's go find where those references are. They are here. Okay, so ref 2, and then let's go ref 3, and then followed by Zen. If I build this, okay, of course, because we have to re-bibtech it, done that, and Latex. And then once more. There we go. So this is where the compress comes into play. It allows it to do that hyphen so that it shows up correctly. And of course, in the bibliography section itself, we have all our references automatically built. So that's really quick and easy way of getting references showing up. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get appendices going on in your report. So we have our references, next, appendices. See you then.